Hello?
Copy that. You guys need to go across the street. You're on our property.
This is public sidewalk, my friend.
You need to go across the street.
Here you go. This is for you.
All right, no problem. We'll find out what that public easement is right now.
Sir, why would you tell someone to go across the street? Is this the ministry he called you to do? To be here and harass Christians? Here you go, my friends.
Hey, brother,
Oh, this looks fun.
Sir, don't touch me.
Hey,
no, thank you.
I don't want that.
This is good information. It's not trash. It's your preborn neighbor, sir.
Can have sympathy. You have kids?
No.
Then you don't have a fucking opinion like that. Children do not need to see this.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they do. Children do not. Children can be a voice of these children. That camera isn't gonna fucking protect you.
Sir, this guy assaulted me.
Block the roadway and you'll get charged for trespassing.
Sir, you eat yellow snow and you'll be eating dog piss.
Oh boy. What did I tell you? You block the driveway, you'll get charged.
Sir, you pull out your gun and shoot someone, you'll go to jail.
Yeah.
Sir, you go 55 and a 50, you'll get a speeding ticket.
Why don't you go sledding or something? Find something to do.
Why don't you, sir, why don't you put your faith in Christ? Did you know that what he's doing right now is illegal?
No, he's not. He works here.
I work here. I'm
No.
parking lot safety.
Sir, officer making a false claim is...
Those other signs.
Okay, you told me I could lay him on the ground. And now you're saying I can't lay him on the ground.
I did not say that you...
You did. You did. You said lay him down.
Greetings everyone and welcome back. If you enjoy real police encounters explained with legal context, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments because this case quickly turns into something far more complicated than it first appears. Officers arrive after complaints about anti-abortion protesters, but within seconds the conversation becomes hostile. Allegations of assault, disputes over public easements, and conflicting opinions about what is legally allowed immediately create tension, setting the stage for a confrontation where emotions threaten to overshadow the actual law.
Well, it is on the ground.
You should probably lay it down if you stood up.
Yeah.
Right? Or like maybe use some snow.
Okay. So you don't know the code?
I already told you that.
You already told me you don't know.
I can't have you littering the area.
I'm not this isn't littering. I'm going to leave with them. It's not littering.
Littering on the sidewalk.
It's not littering. Littering. Okay, which ordinance is that?
I can look it up.
You can go look it up. Go on. Go do it.
Just pick them up.
Go do it.
Or you can just pick them up.
Go do it. I'll pick them up. I'll pick them up when I leave. They're not blocking anybody.
I'll just take them, pick them up as litter. How's that?
I intend on taking them with me, okay? Do you understand? I'm not littering. I'm not littering.
What was his first name? Troy. Take those please right now.
I will when I leave.
Pick them up this very
What law am I breaking, sir?
Littering on the sidewalk.
It's not littering, sir.
That's fine.
Don't touch my signs.
Then you can pick them up. Your choice. Your choice. I've asked you to do it 4 or 5 times. It's still the park.
This is not the definition of littering, sir. I am not blocking anybody.
Well, now you're not blocking the sidewalk.
I never was blocking the sidewalk.
That's the crosswalk.
I moved them. I moved them before your friend came over here. Did these block you, sir?
Material. Here's the problem.
Did these block you, sir?
There's a lot of things that block.
Maybe you should get your lieutenant.
You can protest all you want, but you can't lay your signs out here on both sides of the village property. So walk up and down the sidewalk all you want, and protest all you want, and carry your signs. But you're not just gonna lay materials out here. So please put those in your car.
She said I could lay them down.
I am the supervisor. You may carry those around, and you need to get them back to your car.
Maybe you should get your lieutenant on the phone.
He's a
I am the
supervisor.
highest ranking police officer.
He's a sergeant. See, three stripes.
So there's no lieutenant above you.
You don't have to.
You don't have lieutenants? How about a city attorney?
I'm asking you. It's Sunday. I'm asking you to move the signs.
He might be in church like one of these.
I'm asking you to move the signs.
We don't even have a mayor.
I'm asking you to move the signs.
Move them where?
Either in your car or you got to carry them.
I gotta carry them.
That's what you want to do. Is you want to protest and carry your signs, then please do that. But you can't just lay your materials out there.
I'm gonna pick one up and I'm gonna show it, and then when we leave, I'm gonna take them with me.
The encounter now shifts from emotion to legal interpretation. Officers repeatedly claim the signs left on the ground amount to littering, while the protester calmly asks which specific ordinance supports that claim. Under basic constitutional principles, peaceful expression on a traditional public sidewalk receives strong First Amendment protection, but that protection does not excuse violations of valid, content-neutral local regulations. Likewise, an officer generally should be able to identify the legal basis for an enforcement action. This exchange becomes less about the message being displayed and more about whether the cited law actually applies to the protester's conduct.
Put them in your car
I've
now.
asked them 5 times
then
to
we're
do
going
it.
to take them, okay?
Oh, no, you're not gonna take them.
Pick up your signs.
You're not taking them.
Pick up your signs, please.
Why don't you tell? What about those roadblocks right there?
Those are on school property.
Why don't you tell them to move them?
They're on school property.
What about that sign right there, man? Why don't you move that one?
If you're out here to protest, then please protest. Don't get in these.
I'm not protesting, man. I have my personal property with me. There's nothing that says I can't have my property with me.
Yeah, then pick it up and have your property with you.
So I have to have my hand on it. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm not. And I'm not going to play these semantics.
No, I want to know what you're telling
I want
me.
you to carry them with you.
I have to carry them.
Carry them
What
up
if they
in your
touch the
car.
ground?
I'm not going to get
All right, watch this. Watch this. Let's do this. I'm gonna help you guys out.
Come out here for your agenda and don't waste
Okay.
your time with us.
All right. I'm touching them. Is this legal? What I'm doing right now?
Come out.
Is
here
this
for your
legal,
purpose.
sir?
Come out here. For
Is
your
this
purpose.
what? Is this legal? Is this legal? What I'm doing right now?
You may do that. Okay.
So I
You
have to
wanna
do that. All right. Now watch this. I'm gonna let go for a second. Is that illegal?
You're being ridiculous.
No, you're
I'm not-
being
I'm not gonna
ridiculous.
get in this conversation.
You're being ridiculous, sir.
If you're out here for your agenda, then come out here for your agenda. Don't argue with us.
I want you to
Don't
tell
argue
me
with
what law I was breaking with them on the ground. Tell me what law I was breaking.
You're
I'm
blocking
not
the
going to
sidewalk
cite.
when I
I'm
first
not going to cite.
Tell me what law. You gave me a lawful order, right?
And you can't just leave your debris out here.
What's that? Debris? It's a sign. It's not debris.
I don't know. What
You can't leave your shoe. You can't leave them there. Do you
Go
understand?
back to pushing your agenda and protesting.
Do you understand, sir? You can't leave your shoes here.
Your signs up now. Thank you.
Ma'am, you can't leave your leave your taser here, okay?
We'll be back.
How about why don't you pick up that water bottle over there, man? Why don't you go catch the criminal that left that there?
Thanks, Sarge. Yep, appreciate it.
Good job, Sarge. Good job, man.
The protester begins testing the officer's position by lifting the signs, briefly holding them, then asking whether simply letting them touch the ground suddenly changes their legality. This demonstration highlights an important legal principle. Enforcement should be based on objective conduct, not shifting explanations. While officers have authority to maintain public safety and pedestrian access, restrictions affecting speech should be clearly defined and consistently enforced. As both sides continue debating rather than clarifying the applicable ordinance, the disagreement grows into a dispute over legal standards instead of public safety alone.
Now, if you think this is over, you couldn't be more wrong, and what happens next is the reason why there is such a big disconnect between the public and the police. Just keep watching.
Not removing them, huh?
They're not touching the sign, sir.
Doesn't matter.
I told you.
Doesn't matter. In the eyes of the village, you're still blocking that post.
Blocking the post?
You're posting your signs to our post.
No, I'm not. It's not touching the. It's not touching the post.
You'll be cited. You can take it up with the attorney.
What attorney?
The one that you're gonna have to go see for the ticket you're getting.
Why would I have to see the attorney?
Because you've just been cited.
For what?
Illegal bill posting, like we said.
Yeah, I'm not touching the sign, ma'am. Here, come here. Come with me. Come on, I invite you to come over here. They're not touching the sign.
You gotta identify and put it on the ticket.
They're not touching the sign.
Do you have an ID on you?
There's the problem. You've been cited. You need to provide an ID now
For what?
for the ticket.
I don't have to provide an ID.
Then you'll be
The officers press harder.
cuffs. Is
Okay.
that what you want?
What I here?
You simply could have just
What?
removed your stuff from our sign as we asked.
It's not touching the
Doesn't
sign.
matter if it's touching.
It's not
according to the
touching.
village ordinance.
Okay.
4415. You want? You
Okay.
want to
So
argue
if
with
I
the
don't,
sign? You don't.
4415 what? 4415 what?
The Clarendon Hills Village Ordinance.
That's what I asked
You
for
wanna
earlier.
be
Remember when I asked you for that?
I said I'll be
Okay,
right
4415. All right, I'll take the signs.
Doesn't matter. You've been cited now, so we can provide.
See, it's not touching. Can everybody see it's not touching the sign? Blocking this from here is not illegal. It's not illegal. But you know what? I'll move them. I'll move them. I'll move them. Cause you want to feel tough. I get it. I get it.
You could have just simply, you could have done all this politely.
Politely?
This gentleman, I asked this gentleman to step off the driveway, and he wasn't happy, but he did it as best as he could.
The situation escalates significantly when officers accuse the protester of illegally posting signs on village property and announce that a citation will be issued. The protester immediately argues that the signs are not physically attached to the post, challenging whether the ordinance actually applies. Many municipal sign regulations prohibit fastening or attaching materials to public structures, but whether a violation exists depends on the exact wording of the local ordinance and the observable facts. That factual disagreement becomes the central issue as officers demand identification to complete the citation process.
All right, you guys are dismissed. Go on.
You need to provide her with your ID.
No, I don't.
I'll have to identify you at the police station to cite you.
I'll give you my name.
Your ID.
I'm not. I don't have to give you an ID. I'll give you my name.
Name and birth date. That's
yeah.
fine.
I'll do that.
What's your last name?
I'm not going to do it in front of these gentlemen.
That's fine. You guys don't mind stepping away.
Not a problem.
We'll try to make this easier for this gentleman.
Are you okay with me since you know I'm a police officer? Is it whatever?
You're a retired cop.
No, I'm not retired.
Oh, you're What force? Who do you work for?
I work for Schaumburg Police Department.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want me to step away, I'll step away.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
And he's as old as me because I've known him for that long.
What's your last name?
Okay, I'm giving you guys an opportunity right now. I'm giving you an opportunity. Take that, rip it up, and go on your merry way.
You're not in that position to give us an opportunity.
I am. I'm giving you that opportunity.
Signs off the village. Village property.
They weren't touching them.
We gave you.
Yeah.
Sure. The first time I came up, it was. So there.
And I moved them. And I moved them.
That was a violation.
Well.
No, they were in that triangle format, ma'am.
There was 2 on there, so how is that a triangle?
Well, I asked for the code. And when you said, I'm going to go get the code.
You don't need the code to know the violation.
She said she was going to get the code, so I fixed it. So I'm giving you an opportunity.
What's your last
to
name?
Seriously be like real cops.
Well, let me tell you this way. They called on you complaining about you guys. I'm following through on my complaint.
Yeah, but the complaint wasn't about the signs on public easement.
You need to go across the street. You're on our property.
This is public sidewalk, my friend.
You need to go across the street.
Here you go. This is for you.
Attention now turns to identification and the citation itself. The protester refuses to hand over physical identification, but offers his name and date of birth instead, while insisting the alleged violation had already been corrected. Whether someone must produce physical identification depends on state law and the circumstances of the stop, especially when a citation is being issued. The debate also raises another legal question. If a person promptly corrects the alleged violation after being warned, should enforcement continue, or is officer discretion the more reasonable course?
No public easement. We'll find out what that public easement is right now.
This sir, this guy assaulted me.
And the other fellow down there.
You block the roadway and you'll get charged for trespass. You're protesting you're putting that on village property.
No, it's public property, sir. It's public.
Property. It's still a violation of the village ordinance.
All right. So you're not going to rip up the ticket. You're going to double down. Is that right? Is that right?
Your last name?
Okay.
I am asking for your identification. I'm giving you the opportunity.
I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give it to you. The last warning. So you guys aren't going to take it, right?
You don't warn a police officer. I'm telling you that.
Okay. So you're not going to take the warning.
I'm not giving.
Okay.
I'm not.
All right.
I'm not taking any.
Are you ready?
From citizens.
What's your last
Are you
name?
ready? It's last name. Proud of yourself today, sir?
Yeah, doing my job.
Serving people, serving the public. Yeah,
Yeah.
fighting crime.
You're the criminals right now that I was called
No,
to take care
no,
of.
that's alleged, sir. It's alleged. Yeah.
Okay, it's alleged, but I witnessed it. I witnessed your.
See, it already shows your intent.
My intent.
Yeah, your intent. When you first rolled up here, sir, you had a chip on your shoulder, and you said you did. Yeah, you're like,
Dude,
you're like, don't cross the sidewalk. You're saying, don't do this, don't do that, don't do this.
You block the roadway, and you'll get charged for trespass.
I was standing here when you said that, sir. You already had your presupposition that I was a bad guy.
You're lucky.
You already had your presupposition.
Want to sign complaints for trespassing?
Because we didn't.
Then you'd go away.
We didn't trespass.
You were in at the front door.
That's not trespassing.
Trespassing.
If they don't want you there, yeah, it is.
Did he leave?
I left the property.
Just because you stop doing whatever you're doing doesn't make it illegal.
You don't understand. Evidently, I'm not surprised. You still don't understand the law.
The final exchange becomes a broader debate about police discretion, probable legal authority, and public trust. The protester argues officers approached him with preconceived assumptions, while officers maintain they were simply enforcing local ordinances after receiving complaints. In any enforcement action, courts generally examine whether officers acted within statutory authority and whether restrictions on expressive activity were applied fairly and without viewpoint discrimination. Encounters like this remind everyone why understanding constitutional rights, municipal ordinances, and lawful police authority is essential before drawing conclusions from a heated confrontation. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and take care.